You see a water bug. You spray it. You kill it. Problem solved, or that's what you thought. A couple of nights later, there was another one. And then another. So what's really going on? Why do water bugs keep coming back, and what is the best water bug killer for home use? The answer may surprise you, because the strongest killer isn't always the most effective solution. Before choosing a water bug killer, we need to understand something important. Many insects called water bugs inside homes are actually large cockroaches. Homeowners often use the term water bug to describe dark brown insects found near bathrooms, kitchens, basements, drains, and moist areas. Whether it's a true water bug or a large roach, one thing remains the same. Moisture is their biggest attraction. That's why finding the source of moisture is often more important than finding the strongest insecticide. Imagine your home from a water bug's perspective. A leaking pipe provides water. Food crumbs provide nutrition. A crack behind a cabinet provides shelter. And a dark drain provides a safe pathway. To a water bug, your home can look like a perfect habitat. This is why many homeowners make a common mistake. They kill the insect they can see. But they never remove the reason it came inside. As long as moisture, food sources, and hiding places remain available, new water bugs can continue entering the home. Sprays can certainly kill water bugs that are directly exposed. But here's the problem. Most water bugs spend their time hidden inside wall voids, under appliances, behind cabinets, and near plumbing systems. The spray reaches only a small portion of the population. This is why many people feel that a product worked for a few days and then suddenly stopped working. The insects were never completely eliminated. Only the visible ones were. One of the most widely used home remedies combines baking soda and sugar. The sugar acts as an attractant. The baking soda is believed to disrupt the insect after consumption. Place small amounts near hidden corners, behind appliances, and close to suspected activity areas. This method is inexpensive and easy to try. However, it works gradually and is usually most effective when the infestation is still small. If there is one natural remedy that stands out, it is food-grade diatomaceous earth. Unlike chemical sprays, it works mechanically. The microscopic particles damage the insect's protective outer layer. As a result, the insect gradually loses moisture and dies from dehydration. Apply a thin layer near entry points, plumbing gaps, cabinet corners, and areas where water bugs frequently travel. Many pest control professionals consider this one of the most useful non-toxic control methods available. Here's something many homeowners overlook. Water bugs are often attracted not only by water but also by organic residue inside drains. Grease, food particles, soap scum, and moisture. Together, they create a perfect attraction point. A weekly drain cleaning routine using hot water, vinegar, and baking soda can help reduce these attractants and make the area less inviting. Remember, reducing attraction is often more effective than repeatedly killing insects. Natural remedies can work, but they require consistency. Many infestations continue because treatments are applied only once or twice and then forgotten. For recurring water bugs, professionals often switch from sprays to bait systems. Why? Because hidden bugs eventually leave their shelters to search for food. Instead of chasing them, the bait attracts them out and reaches places sprays often can't, making it far more effective against persistent infestations. For homeowners dealing with repeated sightings, one option worth considering is a professional-style gel bait. Unlike aerosol sprays, gel bait can remain active for longer periods in hidden locations. Small applications near cracks, plumbing penetrations, cabinet corners, and appliance gaps can help target insects where they naturally travel. Always follow the product instructions carefully and keep treatments away from children, pets, and food preparation areas. This is typically the point where many persistent infestations begin to decline. After examining countless infestations, pest control experts repeatedly discover the same pattern. The strongest water bug killer is often not a spray. It's moisture control, fixing a leaking pipe, repairing damaged seals, eliminating standing water, drying damp cabinets. These actions remove the very reason water bugs entered in the first place. If you want long-term protection, follow these 5 steps. Fix all plumbing leaks. Seal gaps around pipes and utility lines. Clean drains regularly. Store food in sealed containers. Reduce moisture around sinks and bathrooms. Together, these steps create an environment where water bugs struggle to survive. So, what is the best water bug killer for home use? It's not just a spray, bait, or home remedy. It's a combination of treatment and prevention. While remedies and baits can eliminate existing bugs, lasting success comes from removing the moisture, food, and shelter they depend on. Because the most effective water bug killer doesn't just kill water bugs, it makes your home a place they can no longer survive. Have you tried any water bug killer for home that actually worked? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical pest control tips.